So the HIT programme is a 4-day course designed for startups who've got ideas and innovations in the medtech industry. And what it does is it gives them the opportunity to try and develop their idea and see at the end of the 4 days whether there's a business case for that particular idea.
Typically it's for companies, an SME, but also we welcome applications from an academic or maybe a clinician within the NHS, someone who has a really sort of great idea which could really transform the delivery of healthcare in this country.
It will help them get to the next stage in terms of taking it and introduce them to various business mentors that can help them and teach them even more in terms of how to put a business plan together and how to get to the next stage, which probably would involve trying to raise investment.
We generally find when people come on this program, they're very focused on the product and what their product's going to do and the features and so on. What we get them to do is take that step back and say, well, what's the company about? Why should anyone care what you do? And we get them to look at that, and then we give them a systematic process that they can use to evaluate a business idea.
What we also do is offer them the opportunity to pitch to a panel of experts so that they can see for the first time what an idea is in 5 minutes. You have to be able to pitch, get across your idea and convince people that this is actually going to go to market and going to work.
Speed mentoring is a bit like speed dating. What we do is we have various mentors dotted around the room. They will get 5 minutes with 11 judges and mentors, so they'll get 11 different perspectives on their business.
Communication is very important. Without communication, without networking, you won't get anywhere. So it's all about networking, it's all about knowledge, and it's all about knowing the right people.
We spend a lot of time talking to patients, so we understand those very well. I need to spend some time actually talking to the healthcare providers and seeing how we can work better with them.
We're at a stage now where we want to get ourselves in front of investors, so having that time and preparation to make a good pitch is fantastic. And in addition to that, getting the feedback, the speed mentoring and the feedback on those presentations and pitches is priceless.
It's been really useful, kind of practical, lots of information to go and take away.
It's really helped me sort of reshape how I'm going to approach my market access activities going forward now.
The structure they provide around getting your kind of thinking onto paper and in a pretty logical and rational format has been absolutely amazing.
Apply, it'll be more than what you expect, and it's just a really good opportunity to speak to like-minded people and really get that time that you need to consider your strategy, your development and whether you're doing the right thing.